Today we are making penne pasta in spicy tomato sauce, like a penne arrabbiata but just slightly better. For 2 portions of pasta you need the following ingredients: 200 grams of dry penne pasta, 1 small tin of 400 grams of peeled plum tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 3 cloves of garlic, a good quality of extra virgin olive oil, Parmigiano Reggiano, about 20 grams of it to finish the dish, and a small bunch of chives. Start by crushing the garlic, but don't chop it, cause all we need is a light garlic aroma, and after that it will get removed. Set the pan on medium-high heat and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and go in with the garlic. Now cook the garlic for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts getting a bit of color. Meanwhile, you can chop your sun-dried tomatoes, and this will bring a really nice flavor to our dish, so make sure you don't skip them. With the sun-dried tomatoes finely chopped, go ahead and transfer them into the pan. Add the chilies and cook these for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. I like adding plum tomatoes instead of chopped tomatoes because I can see what's going on in a tin, but it's totally up to you. I know it's a bit more hassle because you need to break this down, but it's totally worth it. You will need to simmer these on low heat for about 15 minutes, but just make sure that you add the seasoning right from the beginning, so a quarter of teaspoon of salt and a good pinch of black pepper go straight in so the tomatoes have the chance to absorb some of that seasoning. Add the pot with water on the heat with about a quarter of tablespoon of salt in it. This will be for the penne pasta. Cook the pasta 2 minutes less than it says on the package because the rest of the cooking will be in the sauce. Remove the garlic, it's done its job. Now go in with the pasta straight into the sauce. Cook the pasta on low heat for another 2 or 3 minutes, but just make sure you keep some of that pasta water when you drain it, just in case you need to adjust the sauce. Serve right after with a good pinch of freshly chopped chives and a good grate of Parmigiano Reggiano. And if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.